A lot of people ask me, how do you choose an investment? You know, the most difficult adjective in the English language are beauty in a girl and value in a stock. It differs so much from the beholder, right? So how do you find value in a stock? Because for every buyer there is a seller. Some like Nandita Sen, some like Sushmita Sen, some like Aishwarya Rai. So, you know, beauty has its own concept, yeah. So it's so difficult. So, and you know, when I go to buy a stock, someone is selling it. So therefore that person feels there's no value in that stock. So how do you choose a stock? So see, the basic thing I will tell you is when you invest in a stock, think of the business model of that company. And I think the first thing I look at when I invest in a company is the opportunity. Would I have invested in Titan if I didn't feel that the jewelry market in India will go, you know, from 5% branded to say 20% branded? And in 5 years, if 1 lakh crore is going to be the branded market, is the jewelry market in India, the branded market will go up from 5,000 crores to 20,000 crores. So it's a 15,000 crore opportunity. So, you know, nobody can grow bigger than the opportunity. Think of Infosys. What would have Infosys been without the internet? Did Infosys in 93 know that the application of information technology will expand the way it did? But it happened and it expanded Infosys opportunity. So the first thing we should look at is opportunity.